Hello guys, today I will be share with you how to install Eclipse. This for a beginner. So Eclipse is open source, free tool. It's easy to use. I always suggest to people who are the beginner. They can easily install it and use it. So let's do it. Now I'm going to show you how to install Eclipse step by step. So now go to Google. In Google, you can always search Eclipse download or Eclipse. When you are Eclipse, so open. So now Eclipse, you can find a lot of option here. Go to the download. So there is a new version which is the Photon. Download 64-bit. Download, and it's downloading here for Mac. So there's a donate if you want. If you think Eclipse is the helping the community to grow up, you can donate. Minimum is the $5, maximum 100. Whatever you want, you can donate it. And okay, let's use installer 4. Open. Let me go back again. So let me go back again and delete it, move to trash. So if you go my download, when I download, if you go my download, so you will see here Eclipse Instant Max 64-bit extract it. After extracted, you will see here Eclipse installer. Because I used to have, I have more than one, that's why showing. So I have 4. You will be see Eclipse installer in your download and click it. When you click, you will see open button. So it's opening, and check the second option, which is the Eclipse IDE Java developer. And now install. It's installing. So after install finish, launch. When you launch, you'll be see over here in your bottom of the your PC or your MacBook, the logo will be pop up. So what you can see, what you can do, you can always right click here and option keep in dock. Keep in dock means it always will be in desktop. When you open, you'll be see logo here. When you want to open the Eclipse, just click and it will be open. So over here, so select directory workspace. They're asking for workspace. So what I suggest you guys, go to the finder and go to the document. When you go document, right click the document, new folder. Folder name you give current workspace. Now that's it, and you can close it. This in example, this is you have to go to finder, document, inside document right click and you click you create your folder which is current workspace and close it. Now this pop-up is still there, so you go browse. When you go document, current workspace, the current workspace, what will be happen, whatever you will be create in this Eclipse, they will be saved in the current workspace. This is very important. You don't lost your work. So whatever you do after save, it will be save is there. So save in there. So you when you close the Eclipse, and you always can find out in your current workspace your work. So launch it. So Eclipse Photon is opening and it's a welcome. So just skip it and you'll be see Eclipse is open, and you can create a Maven framework or Java project framework, up to you. So my next video show how to create Maven 4 framework step by step, so you can guys follow it if you need. I mean, this video only install Eclipse step by step, and it's already done. That's it for today, guys. If you like it, please, if you like my video, please feel free to like, comment. If you need more instruction, just comment it. I will be upload a new video or help you help you out from your question, and answer will be there always. Thank you so much. Keep tuning Future IT Vision and subscribe. Thank you so much for today.